Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Filmora video editing series. So as you guys know, in the last class we have discussed about the stock media. Now we are going to move to the audio option. So in the audio option, as you can see, in the same way, has the favorite option, has the download, and has the my music. If you have any music and if you want to import that, you guys can also do that. You have to go to the my music and you have to click here and you have to go to the download section. As you can see, some musics are provided here. So I'm going to use these musics and import them here. Now I can use these musics. So as you can see, these musics are provided here. I can use them anywhere. And after that, we have recommended. So basically, we have to download these video. We have to download these audios, and after downloading, we guys can use them. As you can see, this cursor, this icon means we have to download this audio. If you find this type of icon on any element or any video or any audio, that means you have to download this one, and it will be downloaded on your internet. If you have an internet connection and your device is connected to the internet, you guys can download them. So as you can see, I'm going to download this music, and after that I'm going to drag this one. I'm going to download this music, and I'm going to download this music. If you have any specific name of the audio, you guys can also search. For example, I'm going to search for the happy. So I'm going to press the enter. It will load. It's up to our internet speed. So after that, as you can see, as you can see, the music is there related to what we have searched for, the happy diary and happy energetic and fun kinds, and all the things are provided here. What's new in the new section? In this section you will see some new music files as well. As you guys can see, you can download them as well. In the sound effect, if you want any sound effect, you can also get that click, ding, and all things are provided here. You just have to search for the, like I want for the punch, so I'm going to write the punch. So in this way, and these all type of musics are provided here. You guys have to just download them and use them. You just have to go to, for example, I'm going to in download section and I'm going to drag this here, and I can use this. As you can see the music here. So in this way, you can download a music and use it in your project. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the audio section. So see you guys in the next video.